all of you. Why we need a 5 ampere fuse for an electric iron which consumes 1 kilowatt power at 220 volt. At first we have to understand that what is fuse. Fuse is just acting like a switch. Okay, it is just acting like a switch, we can say. It is made up of a material with very low melting point, and high resistivity. It is made up of a material with very low melting point and high resistivity. Okay, why it is? Because if the resistivity is high, then according to this formula R equal to rho L by A, the resistance of the fuse wire is very high, and you know that the fuse wire, when it is connected, it is something like that in a china clay holder. Okay, in a china clay holder, a simple single wire is connected. Its cross sectional area is small, resistivity is high, so resistance of this fuse wire is very high. So we can say, according to Joule's law, H equal to I square R into small t. The resistance is high, so the amount of heat generated will be high. If the amount of heat generated will be high, then according to that, H equal to ms theta. We know that theta is the temperature. Okay, so the temperature of this fuse wire will be increased if the resistivity is high. Okay, now the flickering point is role played by the current. Okay, if the current is somehow increased, if it is increased to twice, then the amount of heat generated will be 4 times. If it is increased to thrice, the amount of heat generated will be 9 times. So the temperature of the fuse wire which is connected between these two terminals in the clay holder increases within a very short time interval. So we can say, if the melting point of the material using which the fuse is made, if the melting point is low, so for a small change in temperature, if the melting point is, let us say, 20 degrees centigrade. So if somehow the temperature of the fuse wire due to this current flow is just crosses 20 degrees centigrade, it will melt. Okay, so by creating the melting point low, by creating the material which contains the resistivity high, we can act the fuse wire as a switch. Okay, we can act the fuse wire as a switch. Okay, just like here it is talking about a 5 ampere fuse wire. That means the maximum amount of current allowed through this fuse wire is 5 ampere. If the amount of current passing through this fuse wire just exceed 5 ampere, then what will happen? Then the current flow will increase, the amount of heat generated will be increased. Okay, so the temperature will increase, and if it crosses the melting point, then it will be just melted. Okay, so the length, area, the resistivity, all of these things chosen such that if it is just cross 5 ampere, it will melt, and if it will melt, then the connection between these two will be just cut up. Okay, it will become the open circuited, no current will flow, and electric appliances will be safe. So this is the main purpose of the fuse wire, is to make the electric appliances to which it is connected, it is safe. The power is 1 kilowatt. That means after the 30, okay, the voltage is 220 volt. Okay, so we have to calculate what is the resistance of the, or what is the current? So P equal to V into I, therefore I equal to P divided by V. So it is 1000 divided by 220. So 0 and 0 cancels out, it is 50 and it is 11. Okay. So 50 divided by 11, 50, 11 4 is 44, 6. So if I put the decimal point here, so here is a 0, so 5, so it is 55, okay, again 5, so it is, if I just continue doing that, so it will be 4.5454 like this. So we can approximate this value as 4.6 ampere, okay. So the maximum amount of current flowing through this is 4.6 ampere. So 5 ampere fuse which is to be connected for electric iron, it is correct, because if the amount of current drawn by this electric iron is greater than 5 ampere, then what will happen? Then the fuse wire is melt, the circuit will be open, no current will flow then. So 4.6 ampere is greater than 4.6 greater than 5 ampere. So this fuse chosen, that is chosen for this circuit, is correct one. Okay. Thank you all of you.